I just got done changing the cabin air filter on my 2011 Ford Taurus and figured I would do the same on our 2018 Explorer. The filter was just so disgusting in the Taurus that I figured I'd check out the one inside the Explorer, and ran into a little bit of an issue trying to get the glove box open. And after messing around with it for a while, I found a trick, which I'll show you here in just a sec. Okay, to get the glove box open, we're going to have to do two things. One is push the clips down inside here to let it drop down. We're going to do that second. First thing you got to do is underneath here in the bottom, underneath, you got to undo a couple white clips. Let me bend down under here and show you what I'm talking about. So these things are a super pain. You can see the hinge is actually captured with these white clips. Very different than the Ford Taurus, which just comes apart. So you got to use a screwdriver and get in here and slide those out like that. So then the hinge will drop out. If you push it too far, it'll pop out all the way. Whoops. Which is okay. I find it interfered a little bit when I didn't take it out all the way. Then there's another one over here on the other side. Same deal. Just kind of grab it with a screwdriver and slide it out. Whoops. And it'll drop out on your face. And now the glove box will pop right open. See how once you open it up, inside here, got a couple of these clips. Really easy, you're just going to push up on them. Either pull down on the glove box, and the door will fall right off. The cabin air filter lives right behind this long thing. It's like the Taurus, super easy to get out. You just pull there, get in here, there it goes. And just like the other one, oh, not like the other one. Huh, this one says airflow up. Very strange. Let's see where all the dirt is on this. Let's pull this out of here. Grab the edge here. Come on out, come on, there you go. There you go. So, there appears to be dirt all trapped in the top. No dirt trapped in the bottom. So this was actually an upside down. The arrow should point down on this. Got a new air filter. It's actually the same one that goes in the Taurus. I'm gonna unwrap this real quick and stuff it in. You can see it's got arrows on the side, not on the end, so you gotta watch it. They're not visible when you stick it in. Airflow down. And into the slot. Slide that in there. Nice perfect fit. And then we'll put the cover back on. If I could find it. Where'd my cover go? There we go. And it's just got two little clips. Go up in those holes. Give it a little push. Click, click. Done. And now we gotta get those stupid pins back in. Yeah, once you get them started, they're not hard to get back in. Getting them aligned is kind of goofy, but yeah, they just slide in like that. Do both sides and done. So one thing I noticed on mine is this little clip, which got sucked way up inside there. It was not attached Had this thing for a couple years and didn't even know that was attached. So now it's all smooth. Yeah, don't forget to reattach that if you have this open.